You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a man.
We are on our way to St. Louis to shoot Ben and Nicole's wedding tomorrow.
The kids are with Kiki, my bestie, and they're safe and sound. I'm sure they're having way more fun with her than they would with us. This is our first trip out of town and leaving Freya with someone other than mommy and daddy. So this is gonna be fun. Yay, we made it. So we made it to St. Louis, and we're finally in our room. We're exhausted and a little sunburned because we had the top down for what? 173 miles? Something like that. So we're gonna shower and we'll get back to you. Okay, so we just got a quick shower and we're looking decent. Pretty cute. So we came to St. Louis because we have a wedding to shoot tomorrow, so I'm sure you're gonna see a bunch of that in this video. But we have like a special tradition with Union Station, especially in Nashville. It's where we technically fell in love when I was 20, and I'll finish the story after dinner. We met with a friend who lives just on the road with us, but I'm gonna leave that for a little bit later. We're cozy in bed now, and it's Friday the 13th, and it's a full moon out. We can see the St. Louis Arch from our hotel room. It's absolutely magical. This night is perfect. Shot the guys, and now we're headed to the bride. Yes, the weather's perfect today. It's like 78 degrees, the sun, there's no clouds, it's perfect. So we're headed to the bride, and then we're gonna head to the ceremony, and you know, that's a wedding for you. Whoop, almost ran off the road. So we'll catch you in a little bit. Ceremony, wedding party, all the important stuff. Now we're headed to the reception site to get the party started.
already gone about 3 miles seeing this, and it is not stopping anytime soon. So the front of it was a semi. The semi was burnt down, the cab all the way to the drivetrain and the engine block. Nothing else was left. While still on fire, the fire trucks had it. So these people aren't getting home anytime soon.